If you're someone that wakes up frequently feeling quite puffy, like your legs feel really heavy, you're not on your own. It's really common. This is what the team very kindly sent to me to help me try to combat that, and I've been really impressed. This is designed to help you with your water retention, and it is a liquid rather than a tablet. So if you are a person that prefers not to take lots of pills, this might be the solution for you because it's a liquid. You can pop it straight into your mouth, or you can pop it into a liquid, maybe your water, your juice, or your cup of tea. It mixes really well. I personally can barely taste anything. It is a liquid herbal extract, so it does contain dandelion and burdock, calendula, nettle leaf, and elderberry, which for me is very reassuring. You get a nice big bottle with a pipette on there, so it's super easy to use. I personally find it quite fast acting, so be warned, you might need to pee. It's super easy to just take every single day. I personally keep it by my desk for when I want to have it in the morning, when I feel like I need it. It is completely caffeine free and there's no stimulants either. And the bottle will last 1 to 2 months, depending on the dose that you take. Overall, I'm really pleased with this. I like the fact that it's herbal, it's easy to take, it's not another pill. I can use it when I want to, and I found it personally very effective. So if you're trying to tackle that puffiness, particularly in the mornings, I recommend giving this one a go.